Hi all of you. Once again welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the fifth chapter. Here chapter is electrostatic potential and capacitance. In this topic 5 questions very important. One question here discuss about the capacitance of the here. See here derive an expression for the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మనకి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్లో చూసినట్టయితే జనరల్గా ఊరికే తారసపడుతూ ఉంటుంది. వెరీ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ దిస్ టాపిక్. అండ్ దీని తర్వాత మనకి వచ్చేసి లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్లో కెపాసిటర్ సిరీస్ కాంబినేషన్ ప్యారలల్ కాంబినేషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ రెండు క్వశ్చన్స్ చదవండి. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ చదివిన తర్వాత నౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ derive an expression for the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. First of all, some concept of this capacitance. Okay, దీనికి సంబంధించిన ముందు కొద్దిగా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్తా, దాని తర్వాత ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, చూడండి. ద రిలేషన్స్ కెపాసిటర్ సి పొటెన్షియల్, ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్, ఇంటెన్సిటీ అండ్ సిగ్మా మీన్స్ surface charge density, here Q charge and A area. So relations, see the relation between potential and charge. The charge flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to potential difference between that conductor. That means here V directly proportional to V, Q directly proportional to V. So here Q is equal to CV. This is a formula. Charge, capacitance of the capacitor or conductor, V is potential difference between two conductor. Okay, here C is equal to Q by V. C is equal to here Q by V. Now another formula, the charge moving in a uniform electric field, the force acting on that charge. Now the work done by the force on electrical charge, here the work is equal to FD. Work is equal to this work done on the charge, that is equal to here VQ. F is equal to, according to force is equal to E is equal to force by charge. Here F is equal to EQ. Now this comparing to this equations, here Q get cancelled and it also D. Here potential is equal to here ED. This is a uniform electric field. The charge flowing into the moving into the uniform electrical field. The relation between distance between plates or charges, electric field and potential difference. So V is equal to ED. This one also one formula. Next one, the charge per unit area is called as surface charge density. Here surface charge density sigma is equal to Q by A. This is the three formulas using in this expression for the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. ఈ సమీకరణాలు చూసినట్టయితే మనకి ఇక్కడ ముందుగా వస్తాయి కాబట్టి ఒకసారి చెప్పినాం. C is equal to Q by V, sigma is equal to Q by A and V is equal to ED. The relation between surface charge density and electric field intensity is sigma. Okay, here E sigma, E is equal to here sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is a relation. This relation E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Sigma is equal to Q by A, V is equal to ED and C is equal to Q by V. These four formulas very used. Okay, note this one first of all. Now two plates here, two parallel plane plates separated by a small distance D. These are here plate 1, this one here plate 1, this is a second plate. These two plates here separates some distance here D. Okay, this one here distance between these two plane parallel conductors. So first plate, this one here second plate, these two plates first place consists of positive charge. This one here consists of here positive charge. Okay. Next, second plate consists of here negative charge. This one here negative charge. Okay. Here surface charge density of the first plate is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So this is an electric field due to charge here plus q. Due to plus q, the electric field due to negative charge here is equal to minus sigma to epsilon naught. Epsilon naught. Next, the area of this plate here A, it's also same area. It is also here same area. Next one, the surface charge density of the plate 1 sigma is equal to q by a. Q by a. This is a positive charge. Surface charge density of the first plate sigma is equal to q by a, and the surface charge density due to negative charge here minus sigma is equal to here q by a. These are theory. Now the direction of the electric field from positive charge to negative charge. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే దాని యొక్క దిశ, విద్యుత్ క్షేత్ర దిశ అనేది పలక ధనావేశ పలక నుండి రుణావేశ పలకం వైపు ఉంటుంది. ఇది ఈ డైరెక్షన్ ఇది. ఓకే, ద డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ positive charge to here negative charge. The electric field due to positive charge here, for example E1, the electric field due to negative charge here, for example E2. Okay, these are equal. These are here equal. Now in the inner region of these two plates, electric fields due to negative charge and positive charge add up. That means here E is equal to simply here E is equal to E1 plus here V2. E1 plus here V2. This is a E1 means electric field due to positive charge, for example E2 electric field due to negative charge here this plate. Now can explain this matter. First of all, here థియరీ ఆన్సర్ రాయండి ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, ఏ ప్యారలల్ ప్లేట్ కెపాసిటర్ consist of two plane two large plane parallel conducting capacitors. Conducting capacitors. Now let these two plates having same area. Now let here A be the area of each plate, and these two plates separation between small distance, so and are separates distance between here small d. Okay, now this one here. Next one, this plate A as surface charge density here sigma plus is equal to q by a. Okay, now this one plate here, plate 1 as surface area charge as area charge density is equal to a plus sigma is equal to q by a. Next, plate 2 as surface area surface charge density అండి, surface charge density is here minus sigma is equal to q by a, minus sigma is equal to q by a. Now in this region, in the region between these two plates, electric field due to these two charges add up. Now here in the region, inner region, right? Here inner region between plates 1 and 2, here 1 and 2, electric fields due to negative and positive charges here will be add up. That means here E is equal to E1 plus, for example, E2. E is equal to E1 plus E2. Here E1 is equal to this one. E1 is equal to this one here. E2 is equal to, for example, E2 is equal to sigma. This negative symbol, just negative charge, so negative symbol. These are add up. Now simplifies. So electric field is equal to sigma by n, area of the charge sigma is equal to plus q by a. Okay, q by 2 epsilon naught plus here add up, that means here E is equal to E1 plus here, for example, E2. Okay, first plate electric field intensity, second plate electric field intensity, plus sigma to epsilon naught, simplies here electric field is equal to, denominator is a same. Now 2 epsilon naught sigma to sigma, this is a E is equal to 2 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. But next one here, sigma is equal to 2 get cancel, simplies here sigma by epsilon naught. E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught, that is equal to sigma is equal to here q by a, sigma is equal to q by a. So q by a epsilon naught, So this is a electric field in between these two parallel plate capacitors. Now for uniform electric field, the potential difference between in this region. Now for potential uniform, field, potential difference V and electric field here E. Okay, this the distance between these two plates here D. Okay, now here V is equal to E by E into D, from here V is equal to ED, simplies W is equal to FD, VQ is equal to EQ, D here QQ get cancel, V is equal to here ED. This is a formula. Now E value substituting here, ఈ values here substituting from this is a equation 1, for example this is a equation 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 రెండును ఒకటిలో ప్రతిక్షేపించండి. here v is equal to e means q by qd and a epsilon naught, this is a potential difference in between two plane parallel plates. Now this is a equation for example 3. Now the relation between potential difference, charge and capacitance of the capacitor, note this one. Here C is equal to Q by V, Q is equal to C by V. So we will here substituting, after we will get capacitance of the capacitor, given capacitors here C is equal to, we will get values here. V is C is equal to Q values, Q here V means QD by A epsilon naught, QD by A epsilon naught. So simplifies here C is equal to Q into A epsilon naught into D, sorry, A epsilon naught by here QD. QQ get cancel, finally simplifies C is equal to remaining terms here A epsilon naught by D. This is a capacitance of the parallel plate conducting plates. Okay, C is equal to A epsilon naught by D. So finally C is equal to A epsilon naught by D. This is a capacitance of the conducting two plates. Okay, ఇది very most important in IPE, TS and AP. ఎప్పుడు చూసినా కానీ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్లో ఇది జనరల్గా వచ్చే క్వశ్చన్. ఈ టాపిక్స్ తీసుకున్నట్టయితే ఈ టాపిక్లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ ఇచ్చే క్వశ్చన్ ఇది. ఓకే, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ మనకు పేజ్ నెంబర్ తీసుకున్నట్టయితే, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ తీసుకున్నట్టయితే 4, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ ఇక్కడ 4. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ తర్వాతనే మిగతా వాటికి ప్రియారిటీ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్లో చూసినట్టయితే మనకు సిరీస్ కాంబినేషన్, కెపాసిటర్స్, ప్యారలల్ కాంబినేషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ రెండు క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా చదవండి. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ 100% వస్తుంది మీకు. ఇప్పుడు దిస్ అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ 2 షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ వచ్చే అవకాశాలు ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి ఆ 2 షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్లో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ 100% ఉంటుంది. ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ మనకి పొటెన్షియల్ మీన్ వేయచ్చు, లేదా కెపాసిటర్స్ పైన సిరీస్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆర్ ప్యారలల్ కాంబినేషన్ పైన కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు. అదేవిధంగా వెరీ షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటున్నాయి. ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నుండి ఖచ్చితంగా 100% 1 క్వశ్చన్ ఆర్ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్, 1 or 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఈ 5th టాపిక్ నుంచి మనకు మినిమం 10 to 12 మార్క్స్ వచ్చే అవకాశాలు ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి చాలా జాగ్రత్త చదవండి. ఈ టాపిక్స్ తీసుకున్నట్లయితే ఈ టాపిక్స్లో మనకు ఒక 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటున్నాయి. ఆ 5లో ఇది ఒక క్వశ్చన్, ఇది గన్ షాట్కి ఇచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి స్టూడెంట్స్ చూడండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.